Hey, good morning, students. I hope you're all absolutely fit and healthy during this pandemic. And today we are going to discuss about our English syllabus, and after that we will cover the first chapter from your literature section. Okay, so here take a look here. Multiple choice question. Okay, initially you will find there will be 12 question and you have to attempt only 10 question, okay, from the passes. And after that there will be also another multiple choice question. It has also 12 questions. It will be also 12 question. You have to attempt only 10. Both are from passes. And after that multiple choice question, that will be extracted from drama and prose. It will be from Footprints Without Feet and First Flight. And after that multiple choice question, that will be extracted from poetry section. Don't worry, the option has been given and you have to choose only one. And now the grammar section, there will be 12 questions and you have to attempt only 10, okay. And these questions will be related from these topics, 10 like tenses, model, subject, verb, conquered, reported, speech, commands and request, statements, question, determiners, okay. And some topics have been deleted from the grammar section, like use of passive voice, clause, noun, adverb, relative, preposition. These topics have been deleted from the grammar section. And after that you have to attempt formal letter. The option will be given. Out of 2 question is to be answer, okay. A kind of particular situation has been given, will be given to you, and you have to write on it, okay. There will be 2 formal letter and you have to attempt only 1. Writing an analytical paragraph based on a given outline, data, chart, clues. 1 out of 2 question is to be answered, okay. There will be an analytical paragraph. A particular chart or a particular kind of graph will be provided to you on a paper, and you have to, according to it, according to the clue, according to the chart, you have to elaborate that paragraph. Got it? And after that there will be 6 short answers from Footprints Without Feet and First Flight. You have to attempt only 4. And after that there will be also 6 questions from Footprints Without Feet and First Flight, and you have to attempt only 4. And after that there will be a long answer from First Flight, okay. There will be 2 long answer, you have to attempt only 1 from First Flight. And after that there will be another 2 long answer, you have to attempt only 1. You have to choose only 1 from Footprints Without Feet, okay. Here we can see that some chapters have been deleted from First Flight and also from Footprints Without Feet, okay. So here take a look here. How to tell wild animals, trees, fog, misspell the otter for Anne Gregory. And then from supplementary reader, it means Footprints Without Feet, The Midnight Visitor, A Question of Trust, The Book That Saved the Earth. These chapters have been deleted from your book. This is your English syllabus. Go and read it carefully. If you have any kind of confusion, if you have any kind of question, then ask and you can text in this group. Thank you.